Paradise Ridge Dentistry.
Hey, it's Wolf. I'm here with Caitlin, the lead dental hygienist with Paradise Ridge Dentistry. Caitlin, the last time I was actually in the office, right, I overheard somebody getting in trouble because they used the term deep cleaning.
Yeah, Wolf, we actually have a swear jar, so anyone who uses that term at Paradise Ridge Dentistry is going to be in trouble.
Really? Why would that be?
Well, first off, the rule in our office is you got to put $1 in the swear jar if you use that word, and the reason is because it doesn't really exist. So you don't want to come in asking for a deep cleaning or nothing else, because you're really going to fall into two categories. You're going to be a regular basic cleaning, or we're going to need to address your gum disease. It's going to be one of the two. Compare your mouth to like your car when you go off-roading. A lot of mud, a lot of crusted on stuff on there. You can't just get a regular car wash, it's just going to smear it around.
Boy, that's right. That makes a lot of sense,
yeah.
right? That's nasty.
Exactly. So it's the same thing with patients. We can't just do a basic cleaning. We're just going to spread some things around, possibly make it worse. So got to treat your gum disease.
Listen, you know what, Basinonians? You don't want to get your teeth dragged through the mud. No way, no how. So here's what you do. You actually take out your phone and you text tooth to 620-620. That's tooth to 620-620 and book your appointment today for Paradise Ridge Dentistry.
For more information, text TOOTH to 620-620. That's TOOTH to 620-620.
Hashtag get your gums right.